Hey, what's up, you guys? Jeff again from JBEG Cards. Told you I was going to open a box of UFC. I was going to open it yesterday, but I don't know. I started to watch the fight and kind of got a little late, and I was like, just open it tomorrow. Well, let's check it. I was looking at that, like, I was pretty close to my finger. Actually, I cut my finger. Dead. Alright, there we go. Alright. Start off with good old Vitor. Nelson, Pierce, Kendall Grove, insert Don the Cruz, Uri Faber, insert base from there. Alright. Got a red one in here, I think. Quinton, Coach, Randy Couture, and Leo Machida, insert. I don't know where I was seeing the red base. I don't know where I was seeing the red at, but seen it from the corner. Hoping for a pretty good one, maybe like a tail of the tape of anybody. I'll take one of those. It'd be pretty cool. An old one, Orlovsky versus Bentello, I guess. Insert. And then roll through the base. Chang Sung Jung. Whoa. Nate Marquardt, Nishinakami. One of those unlock the codes. Rashad. All base. Alright. See, it looks like another red one in there. Probably wrong again. It's a black one of Nate Marquardt. I think of 88. Yeah. 52 of 88.
I saw the red from that one.
Junior Dos Santos. Oh, it is a red one. Roy Nelson and Frank Mir out of 8. 2 of 8. Whoa, my hand can't bend that way. Whatever, you guys believe me, because it's red.
It's pretty cool.
Alright. Roll through that base. Make sure that's base 2. There's one hit, I guess you would call it a hit. See, it looks like red right there. Kyle Kingsbury. Gray Maynard. Insert. Jason McDonald, Tours, West, and 8 Diaz. Come on, let's get a good New Year's hit. Kendrick Goldberg, John Jones, Rashad Evans, non-numbered, just an insert. Lay down that Goldberg. John Fitch, wow, he got knocked out 1 shot, 1 go yesterday. Brian Stan. Yeah, did you hear about that, man? The guy like walked right in there and just the right hand to the face. Well, all the hits are going to be on that side, I guess.
I don't know if it's like a red.
They all kind of look like that. Finally get one. Dan Miller, that's not bad. I've never got him yet, so pretty cool. Non-numbered. Who's that? Let's get a big hit, man. Let's get a big hit. Yeah, I knew that felt thick. I was like, whoa. Joe Rogan. Let's get one of those tail of the tape, man. Come on, let's get one of those. It'll roll through these guys right here. Base. Okay. Lesnar and Cain Velasquez. Sean Shirk and Evan Dunham. Oh yeah, these do go there. There's that one. What does he have in his hair? I just noticed that. Big Country's got like some weird thing in his hair. Uh-oh. Dude, I got a good card. I think. Corey Miller, James Head, Aaron Rosa, Rumble Johnson, Collision Course, Jackson Evans. Oh, it wasn't. I thought it was this one, dude. John Finch again. I could have swore it was John Jones because the way I was pulling it out. Dominic Cruz and another baser. I was like, oh, hey, we got one. Yeah, the fighter. That'd be a cool autograph. Roy Nelson, Junior Dos Santos, and then once again, Fat Boy on the top of that. Tito Ortiz and Chuck. And the one above that is Mike Pierce. Or wait, yeah. There's a pile too. Let's get this rolling. I just swear it looks red. Another black one, Ramsey Nigem. Tito Ortiz, Ryan Bader. That one's numbered to 88. The one I just laid down of that Ramsey. This one's not numbered, just an insert. And we'll go through them babies. Ricardo Lamas. What the heck is this? Just a UFC fight night. It looked weird. And there's the other hit. Oh, it's a big one. I'll save that one. I think it is. It looks bigger than the other ones. Alright. Probably a base. Chuck Liddell. Quintan. Anderson Silva. Just inserts. Unlock. Hamill. Base. Alright, let's see that hit. Joe. Space. Let's go right here. It's not a big hit, I don't think. Whoa, it is. Anderson Silva. I was like, it's not a big hit probably, but there he is.
Is it numbered?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, it is to 88.
Because it's a mat.
54 to 8. The other ones aren't numbered. But cool, guys. Not a bad hit right there. Alright, you guys. Happy New Year's. You guys take care. Grab a couple hits. Open a couple cards yourself, boxes, whatever you want to do, and grab some hits, you guys. You guys take care, and Happy New Year's again.